With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, so let's start the question. The question says a body is dropped from a height of 16 meter. The body strikes the ground and loses 25% of its velocity. The body rebounds to a height of, we are given 4 different options, 12 meter, 9 meter, 4 meter and 8 meter. So at first we need a figure. So this is our figure. So suppose our body is dropped from the point A to the point on the ground, that is O, and such that AO is equal to 16 meters. So S is equal to 16 meter. Now it is said to us that when it strikes the ground, it loses 25% of its velocity. Okay, so in order to find the velocity of this body, we will be using the equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here, v square we have to find out. So, u square is 0 because it is a freely falling body. U is equal to 0 and hence u square could be written to be equal to 0. So, v square is equal to 2 into what is A? A is equal to acceleration due to gravity, which could be taken to be equal to 10. Okay, 10 into S is 16. Okay, so that is equal to v square is equal to 20 into 16, that is equal to 320, or V is equal to 8 root 5 meter per second. Okay, so this is the velocity of the body when it just before it hits the ground. Now, when it hits the ground, it loses 25% of its velocity. Okay, so just when it hits the ground, only 3/4 of its velocity is remaining. So 3/4 of the velocity is remaining, that is equal to 3/4 into 8 root 5, which is equal to 6 root 5 meter per second. Okay, only this much of the velocity is remaining when the ball bounces back. So suppose the ball bounces back from the point O in the upward direction. So in that particular motion, the initial velocity u will be equal to 6 root 5 meter per second. Okay, and when it reaches the maximum height, its velocity v will be equal to 0. So the final velocity v is equal to 0. Here also we will be using the same equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. But the acceleration here is minus g. Why? Because the body is moving in the upward direction and the acceleration is acting in the downward direction, and hence acceleration is equal to minus g or minus 10 meter per second square. Now substituting these values in the equation, we get v square is equal to 0. So minus u square would be equal to minus 36 into 5, that is equal to 2 into acceleration is minus 10 into S is that we have to find out. Okay, so S would be equal to 36 into 5 divided by 2 into 10. Cancelling this 5 and 10, we get 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 and 36 cancels out to give 9 as the answer. So 9 meter is the answer. So the ball bounced back to a height of 9 meter from the ground. So our correct answer is the second option, 9 meter. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.